Samsung's 65-inch commercial UHD Signage is a stunning display that's built to elevate the visual experience in any space. With a sleek, ultra-slim 28.5mm depth, it's designed to fit seamlessly into commercial environments, whether in a retail setting, public space, or conference room. But the design isn't just about looks. It's packed with cutting-edge technology to deliver an immersive viewing experience that keeps audiences engaged. Let's take a closer look at what this Samsung UHD Signage brings to the table. At its core, the Samsung 65-inch UHD Signage is powered by dynamic crystal color, which delivers more than 1 billion shades of color. This means that no matter what content you're displaying, be it videos, ads, or presentations, the image quality remains vibrant, crisp, and true to life. Whether you're showcasing a retail product or broadcasting a high-definition video, the colors pop with incredible accuracy. This feature alone is a game changer when it comes to professional displays, ensuring that your content looks as good as it can. But it doesn't stop there. The Quantum Processor Lite 4K is the brain behind this display, enhancing every piece of content. This processor is designed to upscale lower-resolution content to 4K, which ensures that even older videos or images look sharp and detailed on the large screen. You get clarity and consistency with every frame. It's the kind of technology that ensures that every pixel counts, even in high-stakes commercial environments where presentation is key. Now, you might be wondering about real-world use. How does this UHD Signage hold up when it's put to work? Well, setting it up is a breeze. It comes with centered VESA holes, making installation straightforward. Whether you're wall mounting it or placing it on a stand, it's easy to get up and running. The ultra-slim depth of just 28.5mm doesn't just look sleek. It also means you won't have to deal with a bulky setup that takes up too much space. The design feels modern and minimal, perfect for any commercial environment where space and aesthetics matter. In practical use, this display delivers on its promise. The 4K resolution combined with the dynamic crystal color makes any content look vibrant and engaging. It performs well in well-lit environments, with the colors still popping, and the image clarity remains consistent even with more challenging lighting. If you're using it for digital signage, presentations, or simply displaying high-definition content, this display holds up beautifully. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Samsung 65-inch UHD Signage excels in both design and performance. The ultra-slim depth is one of its standout features, making it easy to fit into almost any space without sacrificing quality. The color reproduction is exceptional, and the 4K upscaling provides excellent clarity for all kinds of content. The Quantum Processor Lite 4K ensures that content looks consistently sharp, which is essential in commercial settings where presentation is everything. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While it's a fantastic display for most commercial uses, it may not be the best choice for environments that require more advanced features like touch interaction or interactive displays. It's purely a display solution. If you need something more interactive, you'd have to look at other options. Additionally, the price point is on the higher end, especially when compared to other commercial displays that don't feature 4K upscaling or dynamic crystal color. While the quality justifies the cost for many, it might not be the best fit for every budget. Speaking of pricing, let's take a look at value for money. This product is certainly a premium option, and its features, like the 4K Quantum Processor Lite and dynamic crystal color, make it a solid investment for businesses that prioritize high-quality visuals. If you compare it to other commercial signage displays in a similar price range, many don't offer the same level of color accuracy and upscaling capabilities. However, you'll find cheaper options out there that may work for simpler signage needs, but they likely won't offer the same sharpness and color depth. If we're comparing it to other similar displays, there are a few to consider. The LG 65-inch 4K UHD commercial display is a direct competitor, offering 4K resolution, but it lacks the dynamic crystal color and Quantum Processor Lite features that Samsung includes. The price of the LG is slightly lower, but you'll lose out on some of the color richness and image enhancement that the Samsung offers. Another option to consider is the Sony 65-inch 4K professional display, which offers excellent picture quality and reliability, But again, you're looking at a higher price for similar features. When it comes to build quality, this Samsung display is solid. The materials feel premium, and the ultra-slim depth doesn't sacrifice the sturdiness of the display. It's built to last with a sleek yet durable frame that ensures it can stand up to the demands of a commercial environment. Given its recent release, there's no long-term data on issues, but Samsung's reputation for producing reliable, high-quality electronics in this space is well known. The 3-year warranty adds an extra layer of peace of mind, ensuring that if anything goes wrong, you're covered for a reasonable period. As for customer support, Samsung's reputation for handling support is generally strong. While I haven't had to contact customer service for this specific model, Samsung has a reliable customer support track record, particularly when it comes to its commercial display products. Support response times are typically swift, and they offer a range of helpful resources for installation and troubleshooting. Now, if we're talking about updates, since this is a commercial signage product, it's worth noting that firmware updates could be an essential part of keeping everything running smoothly. Samsung does offer regular software updates for its signage displays, which help to improve functionality, security, and compatibility. While updates aren't something you may notice day to day, it's reassuring to know that Samsung continues to support its products with improvements. In conclusion, the Samsung 65 commercial UHD Signage is an impressive display that packs a punch when it comes to both design and performance. Its ultra-slim profile, vibrant dynamic crystal color, and powerful Quantum Processor Lite 4K make it an excellent choice for businesses that want to deliver a top-tier viewing experience. The price is steep, but you get what you pay for. High-quality visuals that make any content look its best. If you're looking for a commercial display that combines style, functionality, and stunning picture quality, this is definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind, if you're after interactive features or a more budget-friendly option, you may want to look elsewhere. Thank you for watching. If you've got questions or thoughts about the Samsung 65-in UHD signage, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, you can find the link down below. Until next time, this is Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the inside scoop on everything tech.